The new Lexus LBX is a superior little SUV that will turn into the company's littlest ever new vehicle when it shows up in the UK in Walk 2024. An all-new contribution from the extravagant Japanese brand, the new Lexus LBX is a huge model that has been planned in Europe, explicitly for European vehicle purchasers. Portrayed as a leading-edge vehicle for the brand, the new Lexus LBX is set to become one of the company's smash-hit vehicles in Europe, and is an extremely critical expansion to the lineup. The new Lexus LBX produces 134 PS, which ought to convey 0 to 62 miles per hour speed increase in around 9.2 seconds. Official mileage and CO2 figures have not been delivered, however the architect's proposed CO2 outflows will be well under 120 grams/km. This demonstrates efficiency of around 55 miles per gallon. Enhancements to the half-breed arrangement of the new Lexus LBX implies all-electric driving is conveyed at higher speed and over longer distances, supporting both proficiency and refinement. The new Lexus LBX has short shades, enormous 17-inch or 18-inch wheels, erupted wheel arches and a particular fixing of the region around the back ways to give it a squat, more powerful appearance. At the back, the tag has been repositioned in the back guard, which makes the Lexus lettering on the rear end more unmistakable. The Lexus signature L-molded light bar extends the full width, and Lexus adds the heading of the L-shape running lights at the front has been changed to lookout. Lexus guarantees a scope of striking paint tones and profound radiance sonic completions. Certain models will be accessible with bi-tone paintwork, joining an e-body variety choice with a differentiation dark rooftop. The new Lexus LBX estimates 4,190 mm long, 1,825 mm wide and 1,545 mm high. It has a 2,580 mm wheelbase. Inside, the new Lexus LBX has a cleaned-up and great lodge. Key controls are engaged around the instrument show. The beginning/stop button is mounted high up, for instance, which helps keep the remainder of the inside clean. The new Lexus LBX offers a striking 12.3-inch full computerized instrument board in a Lexus interestingly. This is completely customizable and can be coordinated with a head-up show on specific forms. The new Lexus LBX likewise has a 9.8-inch Lexus Connection interface touchscreen infotainment framework. It has cloud-based sat-nav, over-the-air refreshes and the Hello Lexus Ready aid. This answers voice orders from both driver and traveler. Both wired and remote Apple CarPlay is incorporated, in addition to wired Android Auto cell phone coordination. The new Lexus LBX offers a discretionary advanced key. This is viable with both Android and Apple cell phones. Proprietors don't need to take out their telephone to open and begin the vehicle, and they can impart a computerized key to other people who might have to utilize the vehicle, as well. The new Lexus LBX will offer various upmarket upholsteries and trims, including a superior semi-aniline cowhide and a vegetarian accommodating inside with engineered calfskin and materials for the seats, directing wheel, shift switch and entryway managers. Surrounding lighting gives a scope of 50 variety choices.